kind of like where I would design a tool. Like, where is this button supposed to be? It's right there. Hi, Danny Cohen, Director of Real Estate with IES Communications. We are a nationwide contractor that gets contracted to do work all across the country. And so we have decided to buy commercial as well as residential properties all across the nation to support our day job. And it's my job to make sure those properties are run effectively and kind of manage all of that business across the whole nation. We have about 120 properties throughout the country. The biggest challenge before MagicDoor was really having one platform to have all of our information in. We had Excel spreadsheets everywhere, and there was an Excel spreadsheet for each property. Then we had centralized summary spreadsheets. Information was all over the place. So really having one central system to manage all of the things like property leases, property information, all of that data, just having it in one central database. The other issue was tracking ticketing. So if a water heater bursts, we didn't really have any tool to track that. Or, hey, the fridge isn't working. We didn't have anything to go and say, hey, we need to get a plumber out here, an electrician out there. So now we have a central service place for ticketing, and now someone can actually get out and fix the problem. My favorite feature within MagicDoor has got to be the service ticketing. It really allows our team to respond to incidents quickly, effectively, get our tenants back up and running as smooth as possible. Getting started on MagicDoor is very simple. It's a very intuitive tool. Everything is kind of where it needs to be and how kind of I would design a software. Wherever you go to click on things, it's just kind of naturally where it needs to be. The barriers to entry are very low. We were able to get it started within 30 minutes. We had all of our properties uploaded. We had leases uploaded into the system in that time as well. Just a very intuitive, easy to learn tool. Since using MagicDoor, operations have improved by getting way more efficient on the response time for repairs. So before it was something broke, my team member, the tenants would have to email me, and if I was out of the office, I didn't see the email, or then I would have to go and find a repair person and get that person to actually get out there. Hey, when can you get out there? Then I would have to coordinate with the tenant. All of this back and forth could take, multiple days, if not a week, before it could be as something as, hey, the fridge isn't working. Meanwhile, now food has gone bad. So MagicDoor has helped because of this ticketing platform that allows me to respond right away and get things solved very quickly and keep the tenants happy. So one other thought as far as considering MagicDoor was the fact that I got to meet the CEO at RecCon, a conference. That's how I came across MagicDoor. And the fact that MagicDoor, of all of the property management softwares that I looked at, they're willing to make adjustments for you. They're willing to do feature requests. They're willing to make things, even if it be a little bit custom. That's such a cool experience, and I love working with a company like that.